Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable and use Google Chrome flags. I show you guys how to turn on or off. Go to Google Chrome and search for Chrome, Chrome, Chrome double dot icon guys. You just want to put on it and double slash and flags Chrome double dot icon double slash flags. Exactly use screen seen on my screen. Press enter, and whatever flags you want to modify it, select the flag and enable or disable it, or you can also turn it default. And anything went wrong guys, you just want to select the reset all button over here, and that will your changes will be take effects the next time you relaunch Chrome. Select relaunch, anything went wrong, select the reset, and that hopefully resolve our problems guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.